see about the traffic management system using the design thinking based approach. That will be presented by Darshan and Ashmita, Ashika and Devadarshini. Now the Ashmita is explain what is the design thinking based approach.
So now let's discuss about the traffic management system. So now let's discuss about the traffic management using queue based on the DT concept. So design thinking concept will include empathy, define, ideate and prototype and test. So that let me explain empathy and define stage of this traffic management system. So first let's see queue. What is queue? Actually queue will be based on the principle FAFO. So based on it we will go through the traffic management. So when we observed this problem, I analyzed that daily road users and traffic police are facing major issues like if there is more traffic in peak hours, they have to wait for a long time. And then even the traffic police can't able to control the flow of the traffic. So these were the problems that were faced during the traffic management.
So now come to ideate stage, we discussed many solutions, but finally we found a solution using queue. So we thought queue is a better option for this traffic management system, because when come to prototype stage, our project works in this way, like when the vehicle enters the vehicle comes to the red traffic signal, it will move to added to the rear of the queue, and then when the signal is red, it is in the order. It is in the order of the queue, and when the signal turns to green, the vehicle from the front will move first. So it is related to queue, first in, first out. So the coming vehicle will add to the rear of the queue, and which means end of the queue. So it will avoid the rushing and jumping signals and confusion in the traffic management.
So the final stage of design thinking is the test phase. So we are going to test our prototype. We are planned that many ideas. So we are finally stitched to the queue because it is one of the efficient data structure used for traffic management system. So by using queue, how we are going to test that? So in traffic management system like peak hours or urban traffic roads, we are going to insert the system. So it will works based on the queue. How it works? If peak hours, the traffic may congestion, the road will collapse during the peak hours, and the emergency vehicles like ambulance are stuck in the road due to the traffic. So to control this, to overcome this, we are using this traffic management system. How it's work? Whenever the vehicle is entered into the road, imagine like a queue. Whenever the data is entered into the queue, it will go through the queue and it will remove from the banker. So the first inserted data will be removed first. So the first inserted vehicle in the road can be removed in the first. So it will be monitored using the traffic signals through the camera or something. So the advantages of using this queue in the traffic management system is fair efficient. Okay, because when the vehicle is come first, so it will go through the road first. So it effective in fairness and reduce collapsion and reduce congestion, and it save the time of the traffic police because they don't need to intervene the police officer. So here the vehicle is transferred through this queue-based system. It will very effective for the urban and rural community roads because there were many population in the society. Many people uses the vehicle to travel this place to this. So this will definitely help the society to maintain the traffic and control the pollutions.
Darshan, you can explain what is the design thinking based approach, why we use the 3D based approach instead of normal approach. இப்போ நார்மலாக நம்ம ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா டிஃபைன் பண்ணிட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். டிசைன் திங்கிங் பேஸ்ட் அப்ரோச்சில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்ன சொல்லுங்க? வாட்ஸ் த டிசைன்ஸ் பேஸ்ட் ஸ்டேஜஸ்? எம்பத்தைஸ் இல்லைங்களா? ஸோ எம்பத்தைஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இட் இஸ் அ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் த ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் அப்ரோச். ஸோ ஒய் வி டூ த எம்பத்தைஸ்?
ப்ராப்ளமோட மெயின் ப்ராப்ளம் என்னென்னு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்கோசம் சர்வே எடுக்கிறோம். ஸோ அதில் வந்து மக்களுக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு இந்த இடத்துல எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ நான் எம்பத்தைஸ் பண்ணுறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஐடியேட்டில் வந்து ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் நம்மளே வந்து பில்ட் பண்ணி ஸோ அந்த சொல்யூஷன்ஸில் எந்த சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் எஃபிஷியண்ட்டாக ஒர்க் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு பில்ட் பண்ணோம்.
ஸோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தை வந்து நார்மலாக அப்ரோச் பண்ணுறத விட டிடி பேஸ்டாக அப்ரோச் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we can get the better we can avoid the last testing phase we have some thinking from the நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துருக்கிறோமோ அதை we cannot produce இல்லைங்களா? அந்த அவுட்புட் வந்து கிளியராக வர்றதுக்காக we have to add the empathize phase